I'm Raz.
I'm Phil.
I'm Neilton.
And we got John.
And we're sitting here around Tater, Phil's wrecked race car. Front frame horns that Neilton's sitting there pushed over about 12 inches. We decided that we're going to reclip this ourselves. It's a big endeavor. We haven't done it on a dwarf car. I've done it on bigger cars. And it's there are a lot of factors in that, but mostly because DNR's up in Oregon, it makes things a little hard. But tell them what happened. Why are we sitting here like this?
Well, a whole lot of badness happened. We went into turn one, and I saw the way everybody was doing some goofy shit on the beginning of the start, and I said, well, I'm gonna go high and get out of the way. And another car ran into the back of another car and ricocheted him off that car into my left front and turned me 90 degrees in the wall. And I had literally no time to try and correct it. And as you can see where Neilton's sitting, he's moved over about 9-10 inches. So we hit pretty hard. One of the boys was in peril. And but we're gonna get it fixed. We'll be back. Tater's not dead. She's only she's in ICU right now.
So we're gonna build a repair jig, get the car on there, replace the front clip, pretty much from here forward. We've been working on building our skills. I did TIG welding for the first time. It came out really good. I don't see what the big deal is. It's not that hard.
We won't mention that the metal fell apart when he got done, but that's okay.
But we got some brain power in this. John Harris has some ideas that he's thrown our way. What do you think?
I think it's salvageable without a problem. It's just a matter of putting it all back together in the straight fashion and putting you back on the track.
Exactly. We're hoping to be back on the track. First race next season. This goes well. We're also looking at repairing my teammate John Kremp's car too.
Yeah, and then we have the first Western States National is in February, so we basically have 3 months to get this done on 2 cars. Hopefully that'll work out. But we're basically making this video to announce that it's going to be a series. You can follow along as we're doing this and see what we do step by step, and maybe it'll help you out in repairing one of your cars. As Neilton and I said last video, this guy is on a fixed income, and he needs help to get this done and share the expense. Some of you people have fantastically stepped up and donated to the GoFundMe. You'll see the link below. And others have given us donations offline. It's helped out a bunch. Every little bit that you can do will help. We appreciate you guys, the Metal Mangler Mafia, for all your support. And shout out to Jeff Smith, one of our viewers and a good friend of mine, for coming up with that term. I think I'm going to use that a lot.
I kind of like it.
Yeah.
The Metal Manglers Mafia, the 3 M's.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's not 3M. That's a trademark violation.
No, not the 3 M. Not 3 M, not the 3 M's.
I just want on a personal note, I want to say thanks to everybody who's stepped up and been helping out. It means a lot. My wife and I truly appreciate it. Thank you.
And you'll see some of the B-roll footage. His new drinking buddy, Silver.
Yeah. We got a new shop dog, little pit bull, Staffordshire mix, or Staffy. He's not a mix. He's full staff. He's just funnier than hell. He's a bundle of energy. He's helping us out around the shop a lot, keeping us out of into and out of trouble.
And in other news, John Harris is going to go asphalt racing in his dwarf.
Yes, I am. If they put that half-C race together, we'll definitely be there, and I think it'll be a good time for them.
I think your car will be real good on a track like that.
So, quick introduction. This is the guy that owns the car that Neilton drove on the double night weekend that I blew a motor and wrecked the race car.
And I passed him.
Only because I blew a motor and wrecked the race car.
I passed you.
Yeah.
A pass is a pass.
Well,
Twice.
Yeah, 2 nights in a row. Hey, my motor ran great.
Get back in the car. You won't get by me, and if you do, you won't like it.
Oh, you heard it here. Phil's going to cry next year.
So everyone feel the testosterone level rising around here. But we're having a lot of fun. You'll see what we're doing, and I hope you enjoy it. I said it's going to be first of a multi-part series, but we're trying to get these out every week. I know we've been lagging on getting the videos out, but if you want to make something more difficult, film it while you're doing it.
Yeah. And do it
about
when you
10
have no
times as long.
internet on site.
Yeah, exactly. That's
We don't have internet out here at the new shop yet, so we're editing and moving and then uploading from different locations. It's a little bit of a process.
So we appreciate your patience and again, being part of the Metal Mangler Mafia.
Yeah, it's gonna take, I'm not saying I'm drunk. It ain't gonna happen.
Yes, you are.
It's gonna come out.
I just said it hungover. So, thanks for your support. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Let us know what you think of these videos.
Ding the bell.
Ding the bell.
Check us out on Facebook, Instagram. Trying to work on social media some more for you guys. Give you some more up-to-date stuff as we're doing it.
That's his department.
That's my fault.
I'm Raz,
I'm Phil.
I'm Neilden.
I'm John.
and we're Metal Manglers.